well. I want this side. This should be a review for you guys. I'm going to use constraints by selecting my first line, holding shift, selecting my second line, and now I'm going to make those two vertical and equal. And hit OK. I'm going to select this line, hold shift, select this line, make them parallel. Hold shift, select this line and this line, make them also parallel. Hit OK. This line and this line, make it collinear. That means they fall upon the same plane or line, and that's the line they follow. I'm going to make this line equal to this line, and what this essentially achieves is I'm making a symmetric object, just like so. Okay, I'm going to call this point, see if I can get the middle here. That's not going to work. Okay, so I have this object. So I'm done with the sketch. I'm going to close my sketch. I'm going to come to features and I'm going to hit revolve. First thing it's going to ask, it's going to assume the last sketch I had is what I wanted to revolve, and that's what it did. Let's just pretend it didn't. So what comes up here is the first thing it wants to know is what am I revolving about, what axis. So that was that axis we made in the beginning. So I'm going to select that box, tell it to revolve around that axis. It already had my sketch selected. So there's the same options you have on this as you do with extrude and extrude cuts. They blind to vertex to surface. I would suggest you play with some of these. You can also not go 360 degrees. You can go any degree you want. And as you see, my object isn't all the way revolved. I'm going to stick with 360 for now. And hit OK. Alright. So I have this. Now I'm going to use the Revolve Cut command. Click on this. It needs a plane. I'm going to go back to my front plane and spacebar normal 2. So now I'm on that front plane. So same thing, I need a center line to start. And then I need a line. Just going to make a jagged edge coming down like this. And close. Finish the sketch. Don't worry about making it completely constrained right now. Close, and then we're going to revolve cut this piece out. And just to show you what it did, we're going to take a cross-sectional view of the part. I click this button right up here. Opens up this. You can select any plane you want. Right now you're only going to have the default planes, but that's what it cut out. And that's how you revolve and revolve cut an object.